And it does look a bit beat up, doesn't it?
So that's the old key.
Yeah.
What you mean look like beat up?
Well, look at it.
Okay.
You see it there?
Yeah.
When I turn this, because I got oversized tyres on it, you can see here where the tyres been rubbing on it.
Yeah.
Now, if there's no movement, it's fine. But when I turn,
Yeah.
particularly when there's something heavy on the forks, this turns without before it turns that just
Yeah.
a smidgen, and the only thing that's stopping it is this key. You see, that's what's so. And it's only a very small thing, but it's enough for the tyre to rub
hit the
on that arm.
yeah.
So
So now you reckon you need to change the key. Key. Oh, this looks
yeah, can't you see it there?
cactus, yeah.
And look there, it's been abused.
Yeah.
Now
So that's the new key. Let me check
there's
that.
the new key.
Okay, do it here.
Oh, it looks oversized, isn't it? That looks. These are the right part numbers, or maybe it's right. Okay. Anyway, so I need one. So what did I do? I bought four.
It's all right. You got two
And when you
tractor.
consider I've never changed one in over 50 years,
Yeah, you have two sides. So how many sides you gonna?
just this one. This only one.
Okay.
This is the only one. This.
Okay. So this side.
Well, we've already remember we placed the kingpin
Yep.
because it was bent, and
Yep.
then all down the bottom was buggered on this spindle axle. The other day we changed the spindle axle,
Yeah.
so it's rebushed. So the kingpin spindle in there is tight as anything, but this is all that we haven't changed.
Ah.
You see?
Okay.
So the only thing to change here is either, now look at that,
Doesn't fit.
it won't fit. Now why is that so?
Yeah, it's too thick.
Look, it mightn't be. It might be that it's bird.
Which is bird? This one?
Well, see, you see how it might be bird. I think, look, see?
Ah, okay.
You see, because it's been bashed, the shit's been bashed out of up the top there.
Okay,
So,
you can slit it underneath.
yeah.
Okay.
Well, that's lucky because that's the way it goes on. And now that goes in there. See? Right.
Okay.
And now,
Now.
the tricky bit is, this is a new felt,
It's look old.
but it's, well, I put it new there, but it's, anyway. Now
You just bash it with the hammer?
that's what the other guy did.
Well, I'm asking.
No, well, you don't, because that's what the other guy did. All right. Now, what you would do is just turn the steering back and forward to
okay.
wiggle this, but I was able to wiggle it on it there. Okay.
If it's engaged, you can tap it with the hammer.
Well, it's already tight, but don't bang on the keyway there like somebody else has done in the past, right? Yeah. That ain't looking good. Maybe that turning. Oh, that was a bit. Oh,
Dropped it.
yeah.
You need to. Oh my God, slippery.
Okay. Let's try again. What had happened, I knocked it down and it had gone like that, and that's why I couldn't go any further. So, I'm going to try this again. I can't do this.
Oops. I can see it.
Turning. Yeah. See, the thing is, oh God. Well, that's turning. That's running all right up and down that shaft. So yeah, it's
Yeah, it's look like it's off center.
yeah. Well, it's oh God. Um,
You managed it before.
yeah, because it was so sloppy, it's so worn out. It just fitted now. Now it's neat, tight. You know. Um, trouble is, I need to jiggle the steering a bit uh, to work it in there, but this we can't lift it up off the ground because the kingpin will fall out.
Yeah.
Oh, not one way. Not
Yeah,
one.
I did.
No, jiggle, jiggle.
Jiggle, jiggle.
Yeah. No, it's not going to do it.
Huh?
That's not. It's not going to do it. This is not really the part that's the problem, but it may well be when I bottom it out. Oops. Right, well, that slips along the full length there now. What we've got to do.
You should turn this.
Um, oh,
Dropped it.
yeah.
Where is it?
Oh, yeah. All right. Now. Oh, sorry.
That's easy
See,
when you do it right.
that's because I'm lazy. Sometimes they are so hard. That's a taper,
Uh-huh.
and they're so hard to get out.
Okay.
It's been there 50 years, right?
Yeah. So now you're gonna put that thing here or later?
No, well, the whole idea is that
Because it might come up when you put the thing
well,
on.
that's right. I can put that in there now. It's just that when that was there, I couldn't get it. Because this was hard. That's why I get you jig the steering wheel. So I couldn't get it to go on parallel.
Mm.
And you've got bolts like this going. I don't know why that's been ground off, or whether it's worn, over the years. Oh, I see, dickhead. But see, normally these things, the head's big enough to go into that.
Mm.
It's not an outside obviously, but that's the whole idea. Then it locks in. You only need one spanner. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. All right. Can you put the rattler on there? No. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's all right. Yeah. Just in case it's got to come out again in the near future. But like I say, we've had that other tractor, which is identical to this, for 50 years. Over 50 years, or 50 years this year. And a lot of these things have never been changed. Okay. There you go.
Okay, that's it. It's all good.
Yeah.
So that's how you change your
Woodruff key.
Woodruff key
Yep.
in an easy way. You need to remove this so you can maneuver this one into the right
Yeah.
hole. And if it's
yeah.
it's all right. That's all. Ding ding. Dang dang. You
Yeah.
can put that back
You
in.
can help me put the wheel back on.